your targets? It might not be your aim. Discover the real reason why. Why do you keep missing your targets?
I don't know. I'm aiming right at them.
It's not always about aim. Let's break it down.
Break what down?
Stance, breathing, and timing. Common mistakes that often go unnoticed.
You mean it's not just about pointing and shooting?
Exactly. Your stance should be stable and balanced, not too rigid or too relaxed.
What about breathing?
Controlled breathing is key. Breathe in, hold, and squeeze the trigger as you exhale. This helps steady your aim.
And timing?
Timing is crucial. Don't rush your shot, wait for the perfect moment.
Wow, I never thought of that.
That's why I practice at Amelia Shotgun Sports. They teach you all these techniques.
How did you learn this?
Amelia Shotgun Sports. It's the best place to smoke clays. Follow for more tips.